Hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. So in this video I will be showing you how you can actually change your skin, install a skin or upload a skin in Minecraft in general. First of all, I will be using the T-Launcher version of Minecraft. So in order to get it, you can go and open any kind of browser in your web or in your PC or even your phone. Click in here and type T-Launcher just like so, and go in this website that is tlauncher.org.english. So after you open this page, this window will pop up for you, and click on download TL. If you have Windows, click on this one. If you have Mac or iOS, you can click on this Apple icon in here, and Linux in here. So I'm using the Windows. I will be clicking on this one, but I have already installed it on my PC, which will be looking something like that. Now what you have to do is click on install skin, and just like so they will show you a tutorial how you can actually install a skin in here. So what you have to do is sign up in this website just by going in here and open this page. You will have here the sign up, which will be your login or your nickname in the game. Here is your email, and here the password, and here password again. And if you go below that, here it will open this page for you, and from here you can upload the skin. Of course you can get skin from multiple websites, as we go Minecraft skins, something like that. And we can check this website. It has so many different kind of skins. For example, if you wanted specific skins for example, let's write this in here, for example Messi, and there is multiple skins that will look somehow like missing, not a specific way, but yeah, they look like it. For example, this is the Barcelona t-shirt, this is Argentina t-shirt, and this is the PSG t-shirt. There is also other skin. For example, let's look for anime, for example Naruto, something like so. You can here find all Naruto skins, Akatsuki, and stuff like that. So yeah, after you want the skin, for example, click on it, and then you go to download, or you can edit the skin itself. After you finish with it, you go to your T-Launcher profile, and then you upload the skin. And after doing so, open your T-Launcher, connect your account, and then you can just enter the game, and your skin will be showed for you inside the game itself, and everybody also can see the skin if they are using the T-Launcher the same as you. So thank you guys for watching, and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.